hit is Givenchy. $900 jeans, homie. All these girls be raunchy. Like, let me see your peen, homie. She trying to cause a scene, but I'm in Paris with my team. Walking slow like I'm on lean. Then my nigga jewelry look so clean. I occasionally bought in Landon. I ain't talking about Jim Jones, nigga, I'm talking about hooping up. Special shirt, break bones. Fuck your Rolex, roll up.
Yo, I'm just not gonna put it in the right block. Let me put the triangle in the square box. Fucking smart guy. I just told you it's not
TJ,
fitting.
it doesn't fit.
Are you dead
snap,
ass?
you want to record me with my tight ass shirt on? Dead ass.
That's fine. I got a
dead
tight
ass?
shirt on too, but I'm gonna be like this so it looks swole.
TJ, it's not gonna fit.
Clearly.
So what we gonna do, guys?
I don't fucking know. I'm tight as shit. So this is
I'll
what
put
we're
this
gonna
on
do.
YouTube.
Oh
Put this on
shit!
YouTube.
Did that spray?
We'll see something cool.
Oh
cool?
man!
We'll see something cool in my tight shirt.
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt.
That's so gay. That's so gay. It smells like in my face.
It's in your face. Shut up. It's in your face.
Flawless victory. Fatality.
I swear, when you get of age, I'm gonna put you in a home. I swear.
What about his kids? What does the kids do?
Shit.
Kids go say no.
Kids.
You know what's funny? I'm of age. I love to see you try.
So guys, there's still no tire on the car.
I fucking know. It's no spare tires like this. My backyard is like a fucking.
It's like a fucking. It looks dumb. It looks. How mad are you?
I'm putting my hands on you.
You are
Keep
so
the shit up.
stupid.
I'm stupid. I'm stupid.
That's how you know he ain't got nothing. I'm stupid. I'm stupid.
Side sound.
He's got nothing. All right, TJ. This is what we're gonna do.
Meanwhile, TJ's over this dead pole.
I'm gonna get in my automobile. I'm gonna drive home. I'm gonna wash my hands. And I'm gonna lay down.
You gonna lay down.
What about me?
Anytime you're leaving this shit.
I have 2 of them.
What, in your car?
No, I have 1 in my house.
Listen, give me that shit.
No,
You don't need it. It
You know
can
how much
kind of
this
match.
was?
How
This was
much?
like $30.
$30. I'll give you
Nothing, because I know so.
nothing.
Yo, why won't your dad send me that Audi? He wants too
Yo,
much
he's
money.
not gonna sell you the Audi.
For what?
He
It's
doesn't
just
want to
sitting
sell you the
there.
Audi. It's sitting there right now because nobody's driving it, Josh.
Why?
It's called park.
I can drive it. It's been driven in. I've been here before. I was pretty good. Sitting here mad with this tight ass shirt on.
Oh,
God, I'm so fat.
I'm mad.
God. I be laying down. I was like, yo, Josh, you are fat. Like, you are fat.
You sleep like this?
Yo, it's fat. Yeah, shit.
That's fucking
I mean,
hilarious.
it's nothing I can see my dick. I'm black.
That was so
I'm
funny.
feeling so fat.
She's so angry.
You saw this the second time
that's
she
the lady
walked
that
past.
lived on the street. Yo, dead ass, like,
She bad.
yo, I
Not on camera. Not on camera.
took a
Cut the music up in there.
I would touch her sexy moment.
kiss her sex moment.
What?
Music up, please.
Yo,
Nah, she can stand, she can walk on the dog, she walking, she can smile. The first thing I think of is to do for Friday. Hey, Miss Parker.
Miss Parker.
Huh?
Nothing.
Literally.
she was like, call me when you get home.
Yo, wouldn't that be crazy?
Okay.
All right, say bye, guys. To Backslash We Rule.
Backslash We Rule.
Tight ass fucking shirt. Get me mad.
Special shirt, break the bones. Fuck your Rolex, roll up, homie. Roll that kush, blow that, homie. Oh, stop that, the popo on me. Shit out the window. See ya, we just getting saucy.